How to add border in Word. Open the Word app. As you can see the written text on screen. Here, we will add the border in Word app. Just go to Design at the top. Go to the Page Border at the corner. Now select Page Border. You will see the border style right here. Go to Box. Select the style of border line. Below, select the color of line. Also select the width of line. Also, you can add art to line. I selected star. You will select art of your choice. Now just choose the apply. I selected whole document. You will see the border applied to the document in Word app. That's how you can add border in Word app. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.